Okay Google, show front entrance.
Okay, if you ask me why do you need a door viewer, the simple answer is technology is just not there yet. On this note, I welcome you all to Quick DIY. Today I'm going to install door viewer. Now in order to install a door viewer you need to get one. I bought this 160 viewing angle one. This is more than enough for me. If you want to buy one with wider angle, 180 degree I guess, you can go ahead and purchase this. Installation is going to be same.
This specific model have got adjustable thickness from 32mm to 51mm. I think the average door thickness will be around 40mm, so even if it's more or less, this will fit. And the second important thing you need to find out is what size hole you need to drill into your door. So in this case it's 13mm. Now 13mm drill bit is not your average drill bit you will use ever again, or once in a while kind of thing, in my case at least.
So instead of paying $26 for a drill bit, I paid $8 for a spade bit, which will do the same job and just fine. Alright, let's take a look at the door viewer and see how it will work. Apart from the door viewer and spade bit, you will also need a tape measure, a pencil, a drill bit and a power drill. I'll show you why I need a smaller drill bit.
Alright, now before going ahead and just make a hole, I need to find a comfortable place for me and my partner, or whoever is going to be using this door viewer. So in my case, as you can see, I don't have much choice here. This is the only part of the whole door where I think it is more useful, and I believe the center is better, because if you have your door viewer in center you can get that angle you want. Alright, here we go. I've got my drill to make a small hole first so we can make it. I use this spade bit later on. I will show you how I want it without. This will just prevent wood from tearing or blowing out on the other side or this side. I'll try my best to do it. Well, I am on a step just to be on comfortable height, so I do it right. Okay, got a little bit of blowout on the other side, but when we use the spade bit, because we need to make a bigger hole, this will hide.